Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you might notice, I've remembered to put the light on this time so it's not as dark and dingy as my last video. This is a quick showing of my two Hoover Juniors who I've picked up at the weekend from Southside Electricals shop in Glasgow. They're newly started there and the man who runs it is lovely. And these machines he fixed up. Now there's one little niggle problem on the one visible, but I think that's more user error, is that I can't always get the handle to drop. I'm aware that they're not original parts in them, but they're both running well. I would say this one isn't running as well as the other, but we'll have a look at another time to see why that is. There'll also be reviews done on these machines to show what is and what isn't original. I should have another Hoover Junior on the way in about a week and a half, so we should get a decent comparison. Now this video was meant to feature the big black Samson up at the end there, but it won't run. I just get a noise when I hit the power button. So I'm not going to do too much with that until we've taken it apart and seen what its problem is. But anyway, without further ado, here we go. As you can hear, that one squeaks a bit, and I don't know why, but we haven't really looked into them yet, so we'll just have to wait and see on that one. Make it fit. Now this one has the, I won't say a badge, but it's a sticker on its nose that says H. Neither of the machines have panels given a model name, so I'll have to ask around to see if I can get advice to what they are. But this one is my favoured one, because the pedal comes down. She says, without getting the pedal down. No, I just got it down my fingers a minute ago. And here we go. This one I feel runs much better. But one of them did have a motor overhaul. I didn't know which one. I would say it's probably this one. that was this one. I really enjoy using that one. I've used it around upstairs of the house. It just purrs along beautifully. It really is a pleasant machine to use. Whereas the other one's a bit screechy. So that's about it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you're in Glasgow and you're looking for an electrical repair shop, check out Southside Electricals. And I'll try and put their information in my description, as they're very nice people. And subscribe if you like what you see. Hit the bell if you want to know faster when I put videos up. And hopefully the next one might involve a mess test. I'd wanted to do one today, but as much as I thought my dog was molten, he's not. That dog has bags full of hair that normally come out of him. And I got barely a whisper of hair out of him. It was ridiculous. So, I'll see you all later. Bye.